Did your SV06 Plus or SV06 layer fan stop working? Here's how you can fix it. Alright, so here we have a Sovol SV06 Plus, and I have this fan adaptation here. It's the Vortex 2 fan. And my layer fan all of a sudden decided to stop working. And I know what you're thinking. Check this connector because it looks suspect, but it's totally fine. The fan works fine. The next thing I looked at was the extruder main board here, and that actually came out okay. What you want to do to test that is see where it says K fan right here on this plug. You want to put a digital multimeter on that and test it. It should run anywhere between 0 and 24 volts depending on the fan setting. For that, we can come back over here to the control, and at this main menu we can just hit anything really, and then go down to the fan button and then type in 255. That should get you 24 volts at that K fan plug, and you can do pretty much anything in between it. So if you hit like say 150, that should get you about 15 volts at that K fan plug. So next up is the ribbon cable. I didn't have a pinout to see what connectors went to what, so I decided to just take a look at this extruder adapter board, and I had burnt traces here, and this one was starting to burn there. On the other side you can see where it had burnt as well. So on this board, this trace was really obvious where it goes to. It goes to that pin right there. I'm pretty sure that's the hot lead for the fan. The ground, however, was not as easy to spot because it comes out here and follows up this trace where it looks like it got pretty hot, and then it dips into the back side of the board right here. Now you can't really see, but it goes underneath these pins, and then it connects to this pin right here I'm pointing at. So I checked that because the trace is still connected from the connector to the pin on the back, so I was able to read that with an ohm meter. So I have continuity there. That one's going to be okay. It's just that I need to put a wire going from this pin here to the connector right there. Okay, so I'm done soldering up here. That was pretty tight, but it wasn't terrible. So I soldered this pin right here and connected it to where it says 24 volts on the connector. And I did check for continuity between this pin right here and the pin directly below it on the other side. And I do not have continuity, so that means we are good to go. I should be able to hook this back up and not have any problems. I did order some conformal coating because I'm out, so I'm going to cover up this open trace here, and hopefully we won't have any further issues. Okay, moment of truth. See if we get any magic smoke release here. So far so good. Wait for the menu to pop up. Here we go. And our fan is running. All fixed. Let me know if you need any help with this operation. I'd be happy to help anybody. Just leave a comment down there and I will check back in. Thank you.